Is there shorthand for returning a default value if none in Python? In C#, I can say x ? Which will give me x if x is not null, and the empty string if x is null. I found it useful for working with databases. Is there a way to return a default value if Python finds none in a variable?
You could use the OR operator. Note that this also returns default if x is any falsy value, including an empty list, 0, empty string, or even datetime.time 0, midnight.
Try the above.
You can use a conditional expression. Example.
You've got the ternary syntax x if x else. Is that what you're after?